Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your predictions for the month of April 2021, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages from the universe for you. Alright, so before we get started, I just want to tell you that this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, and yes, for those who have already seen a short trailer of this video of your, because I have made, for all the signs, I have made small trailers in Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura only. So you can check out there as well. And just let's dig into the detailed version of the reading. Alright, so your overall energy is 7 of Wands. I feel that there is a lot of things which you need to consider, a lot of things which which you need to segregate between what you want and what others want from you. So it's that kind of a place where you are right now, where you want something else and people around you want something else. So you cannot make everyone happy around you. So that is the main thing. You have to fight for your own cause. You have to fight for your own dignity. This is all that energy around you that you need to take care of yourself. No one will take care of yourself. Alright. In the past, there is the Empress in reverse, Death, and Knight of Swords in reverse. So, it seems that things went pretty bad in your past energies. Things were like, no, it's not, that you were in the middle of some crisis, or you can say you were surrounded by bad people, you are surrounded by bad energies, bad vibes, and you felt lack of growth around you. So that is why you just wanted to take a pause over here with Knight of Swords in reverse. It feels like you wanted to slow down your train or your life, and you just want to take a pause. You do not want to rush things at this moment. You wanted closure from this situation. Whatever the situation is, just stop it. I want to end it. And you don't want to deal it. You didn't want to deal with it anymore. Alright, so in the present, it's 6 of Cups in reverse, Justice in reverse, and 4 of Cups. Okay? So yeah, you wanted to close that matter, and you actually did close that matter. But it seems like now when it is closed, it's like you are thinking way too much about it. You are still there in the past, still there in the memories, and it's like you're not moved on yet from those situations. You felt like you were, that feeling where you were not given justice, where you were right, but still you couldn't prove it that you were right. So that is why those things are literally coming up in your mind, and you are just focusing on the past. You are not ready to deal with the situation, with the future, with the coming opportunities coming towards you. So you have to seize the opportunities around you, in your career, in your finances. Things are actually going around you, but you're not able to see that. So that is the problem which is going on. Your future energies are Page of Pentacles in reverse, the Star, and 2 of Swords in reverse. So with the Page of Pentacles in reverse, I feel that you really need to focus on your goals, and before taking important decisions, you need to come out from the past. Okay, so you need to come out from those past energies. You have to focus on yourself rather than focusing on what the things could have been. You have to focus on yourself. You just cannot hope. You cannot just sit over there and hoping for good stuff to happen. No, you have to deal with it. You have to do something in regards with your work. Okay, you need to come out from your own thoughts, because it's 2 of Swords in reverse. It's telling us with this that there are a lot of thoughts, there are a lot of bad thoughts, bad energies around you, and you have to come out. So this is the universe hint. This is a sign from the universe which is telling you that just come out from those bad energies, just let go. Things happened. Okay, so that was their karma. Whosoever didn't hear you, you couldn't tell the truth, no matter what is the problem, don't fight over there. Just stay calm. See, with the 7 of Wands, see, in many other decks, the 7 of Wands is like literally fighting, a person who is fighting. But over here, it's like people are against this person. But she's over there, just sitting over there in temperance mode, and like just let me deal with myself. I am not here to please anyone. I'm not here to answer everyone over here. So that is what she is doing. All right, let's clarify the energies. Let's clarify some cards for my Geminis. What is the detailed version of this reading? Let's see. Just a second. Sorry. Okay. Please, universe, what is going on with my Geminis? What is going on with my Geminis? What is going on with my Geminis, please? Okay, let's see. Seven of Wands. Why are the Seven of Wands is there in the overall energy? Death again. So we have a death in your past energies, and this is death. So this death means transformation, ending, cutting the cords. See how this person is, cutting the cord over here. So it's like, it's really needed at this moment. You need to cut the cords from the past, and whatever that was, just leave it behind there, and you need to transform a whole new person. That is needed over here. Okay, let's see why the Empress in reverse is there in the past energies. King of Pentacles. So you found that you were not growing, but you felt that you were not growing, but you were growing. You were calm, at least. You were mature enough to not to deal with that situation in a ruthless manner. With the King of Pentacles, I feel that this is your energy, Geminis. Although you are a Sword energy, you are air sign, but you behaved like an earth sign. You behaved that although there was no growth, but still you were mature enough to deal with that situation. You wanted to end that stuff, but you were calm enough to not to just overreact basically. What is the past energies? Why the death is here in the past energies? Three of Wands. Three of Wands. All right, so this is a situation where I feel that you were waiting for the things to just end themselves. Yeah, you are standing over there, you were waiting, just because that is why you just slowed down the process. You were not in rush anymore, so you were like, I won't make any move at this moment. I am expecting a move from the other side. So that is what you did. You stopped talking to that person. If this is a person of this a situation, you stopped over there. You took a pause. It's like, okay, what's the universe saying in that? Let me check. Let me test. What is it going on? Why the Knight of Swords is in reverse is here in the past energies? Seven of Pentacles. See, you were so patient. Oh my god, Gemini is being so patient. It's like so contradictory. Yeah, because you are patient. You were patient. King of Pentacles with Seven of Pentacles. Patience unlimited. So you crossed a line where you were never in this position, but still you did it for someone. You did it like, I am waiting now. It's been always me who is like messaging and calling and everything like that, but no, I am going to see what the other person says. Let's see what the situation wants. All right, why the Six of Cups is there in reverse is there in our present energies? Temperance. So I was just talking about temperance in the Seven of Wands, and we have got it in our present energies. So yeah, this means that how to say this, it's like at present you are not dealing with the past anymore, but you still have memories of those past moments, past energies. You cannot deal with it because there is no action involved. You are not in touch with that person or not in touch with that situation. That is why it's like a resting zone at present. You are literally like just silent. Your silence is there, and silence is speaking actually. Let's see why Justice in reverse is here in your present energies. Hermit. Wow, Temperance with Hermit in present. Yeah, it's kind of looking to me that you are not ready now. Whatever happened, let's just enter in my hermit zone. Let's just deal with myself. Let's see what universe wants to tell me. Let's analyze some things. I need to do some yoga. I need to do some meditation. Need to eat healthy. Yeah, need some kind of, if not healthy, it's not always about that. It's like, let's just deal with me right now. That is what you are doing. Why the Four of Cups is here then? Judgment. I need one more card. And Three of Pentacles. So, yeah, I feel that there are people around you. You need to take some decisions, big decisions in your life at present. There are some people waiting for your yes or no. It's like that energy where, when we stop thinking about everything. If our past made us wrong, if our past was wrong, if people couldn't hear you, couldn't hear your truth, you become silent. And because of that silence mode, you don't even take care of your family. You stop dealing with your situations in present. You stop your work and everything, but people are actually waiting for you because you are needed to take some big decisions in your work life. So yes, you just do not, just do not ignore that thing. Just go and work. Let's see why Page of Pentacles in reverse is there in your future energies. Five of Wands and the Empress. So yes, so there was the Empress in reverse and we have the Empress over here in upright direction. So so it means that, with the Page of Pentacles in reverse, it means that there is lack of growth, yes, but you need to focus on your goal. Whatever your main goal is in your life, you need to focus on that goal and you need to grow with that thing. It can be your work related, but there are people, and there will be people who will never be happy with you. There will be a lot of jealousy around you, a lot of negativity around you, always. So that doesn't matter. You cannot spoil your present because of your past bad experiences and future bad experiences. Yes, they will come. There will not be any end of these bad experiences. People will always be there who will be jealous from you, who will be like gossiping around because of you, because you are the Empress. So you have to understand that there is only one Empress and all the other people are literally just people. Okay, the Star. Let's see why the Star is here in your future energies. Wow, Strength card. So the Empress with the Strength, I feel like this is like a person who felt a lack of growth within herself or himself, but because of self-motivating, self-working and self-analyzing, this person is literally changing, and it requires a lot of strength, I know, but you're doing that. In the month of April, there are things coming up in your life because Empress as well, I'm seeing Taurus season. So yeah, things are literally changing. Let's see. Why Two of Swords is there in reverse? Why Two of Swords is there in reverse? Two of Swords is there in reverse. Okay. Five of Pentacles. Yes, you need to let go of those bad energies. You have to get out from your own thoughts. Two of Swords in reverse. Just get out from those bad thoughts and start working, because you have to move out from bad situation. This Five of Pentacles is like, just do not deal with anything and deal on yourself. Deal with your work, with your career, with your finances. Do not deal with other bad things which happened in past. So that is why you might be feeling lack of shortage. There should be shortage of cash, shortage of money, finances, but at least just look at the bigger picture. You cannot just think and think and think about one particular thing and then you do nothing, just sit over there, okay, things will be fine. How? If you will not do anything, things won't be fine. All right, so that is all from my side, Gemini. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.